chains, it's still moving.
The chalk is crushed.
I'm trying to get the door open.
Zoom in on grid reference Delta 12.
Confirmed. That's definitely a rotating drum. But how did a cement mixer get down here?
Wait, zoom in right there. What are we looking at?
I can't believe it. Those are Scania cement trucks. Do you see the logo?
Surface, this is Pelican 1. We have visual confirmation on the target, the Scania mixer. It's intact and massive.
We must stabilize the drum rotation before lifting. Look at the stress points here. Confirmed. I am adjusting the variables for the heavy lift simulation.
Tension levels are stable at 40%. Confirmed. The lift is proceeding as planned.
The weight distribution is still our primary concern here.
If we shift the forward sling 10 degrees, it stabilizes the load.
Agreed. Let's proceed with that adjustment. Look at her go, we did it! Deck, this is the crane, coming down slowly. Roger that, easy now, easy. The corrosion here is extensive. It's eaten through the undercarriage. We're looking at a full frame-off restoration. Agreed. Document the electrical damage as well. The fiberglass on the fender is cracked right here. Got it, got it. I'll make a note of the structural integrity. We need to reinforce this entire section here. The corrosion has compromised the structural integrity. Make sure the team addresses all the yellow marks first. Keep it steady, watch the clearance over the cab. Looks good, keep coming up. Easy now, watch the chains. Clear on the left, keep it coming up.
Watch the clearance on the hoist. Easy now, just a little lower over the markers.
Okay, slowly down on the front side. Watch the clearance on the right. Clear, bring it down onto the pallet.
Scan complete. All measurements are within tolerance. Perfect. The chassis is straight.
Cylinder 4 is reading slightly high on the exhaust side.
Let me check that. It seems within tolerance according to the specs.
Check the manifold bolts on the third cylinder. Applying torque now. Confirmed. All within spec. Okay, rotate it back slowly.
Scania cement mixer trucks. Brand new brake discs, brake calipers, and air brake lines are installed across every wheel position.
Slow descent, watch the alignment on the rear left.
clear on this side.
Confirmed seating, lower steady.
The drum is rotating smoothly. Check the sensor array again. All green. Verification complete. The system is fully calibrated.
Look at the RPM graph here. The dip correlates exactly with the timing error code we saw earlier. Interesting. The live data confirms the sensor issue.
Listen to her purr. We nailed it, boss. Absolutely flawless.
Bearings are smooth, and the motor temperature is optimal. The seals look good too. We are clear for operation. The sensor is picking up excessive vibration near the rear differential. And I found the source of the leak right here at the pinion seal.
Look at the shine on that. It looks brand new, straight from the factory. Ah, incredible. I've never seen a Scania look this good on a site.
There it is. Perfect pour. Well done, Scania team.
that finish. It's absolutely flawless.
Yeah, the attention to detail on the chassis is incredible.
This is going to be a centerpiece for the fleet.
The new Scania model really optimizes fuel efficiency while increasing capacity.
Absolutely, and the reduced emissions make it a leader in sustainable construction.
It's huge inside. I want to drive it. Look at all the lights on the dashboard.
Listen to that. It's incredibly smooth.
Truly impressive engineering from Scania.